Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get extra pet slots and grow a garden. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I'm going to click on this menu and then I'm going to click on show me the pet info. Okay, and this is the way you can get the extra pet equip slots. As you can see that we need to trade in our pets to get the extra pet slots and grow a garden. And this is the age requirement for the next pet equip slot unlock. I have already unlocked one extra pet slot, and if I'm not mistaken, we need at least 20 age for the trading, and we will get one extra pet slot if we have pet which has 20 age. And for the next unlock we need 30 age, as you can see. And you can pick up your pets first if you want to trade in. Wait, I'm going to click on this icon, and for example I'm going to pick up this snake. All right, and then you can go to the pet items like this, and then you're going to hold the pet on your hand, and if the pet meets the requirement it will appear right here. But as you can see guys, that my pet doesn't meet the requirement because it's under the requirement guys. My pet is still 25 and it doesn't meet the requirements, so it cannot appear here. Wait, I'm going to click on show me pet info. Okay, if your pet meets requirement it will be right here, and then you can select the pet for the trading. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.